Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair a puncture tire. Stay with me to the end of video. Place the jack under the jacking point. Raise the car until the tire is about 10 cm off the ground. Remove the wheel off the car by loosening the wheel nuts. Look for a nail or screw. Spray soapy water on the tread. Bubbles will appear at the leak. Open the valve core to deflate the tire. Use tire changer machine to break the tire bead. Next, place the tire on the center of the tire machine, ensuring the face of the wheel is upward. Place the wheel protector. Lock the mounting head near the edge of the rim and lock it. Place the lever bar between the head and the tire. Make sure the lever doesn't contact the rims and scratch it. Repeat the same process for the underside. Use pliers to pull out the nail or screw. Mark the area from inside the tire. Use tire buffer to smooth the inner liner surface of the tire. Use wire brush to smoother the surface. Spray brake cleaner on the surface. Use scraper when the area still is wet. This helps to clean in removing dirts. Apply rubber cement. Remove the backing from the patch, center it over the hole, and press firmly. Using a roller firmly on the patch to ensure full adhesion. Remove the plastic cover of the patch. Roll it again. Add bead sealer for extra protector. Lubricate both sides of the tire bead. Fit the tire back on the rim. Inflate the tire to the recommended pressure. Spray the soapy water directly onto the repaired area. Watch closely for the bubbles or foam. No bubbles, no leak. The repair is likely secure. Place the wheel back on the hub. Tighten the lug nuts by hand. Then tighten them with the wrench gun in a star pattern. Lower the jack until the tire touches the ground, then tighten the lug nuts fully with torque wrench. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.